Hey everyone, and welcome to another SEO tutorial. This is a follow-up to last week's tutorial, which talked about the Explore categories for product posts that was inside of Google My Business. So this is a follow-up. If you want, take a look at the end of this video and you'll be able to see a link back to the previous video, the introduction for this. This is the follow-up. So we're going to talk about three things this week that we see are updates to this. And this is the middle of March in 2020. The first thing is that there are 4 categories that are going to be displayed. Even if you have more, Google is only displaying 4. And it's the first 4. So we'll show you how to do that here in just a minute, but it's good to know. Make as many as you want, but pick your first 4 for the user experience that you think people will be most profitable for you. Okay, the next thing is we need to actually check the contents inside of this first one, because the default, Google has just put all your posts inside of one category, right? That's probably not the best fit for you. So we need to organize that content. I'll show you how to do that. And then the last thing we're going to look at, number 3, is to change the title of this, because the default, just as it says, is from product posts. That's not very descriptive to your potential new customers or clients. So we want to make this something which is much better fit. Let's go take a look at how this is done inside of Google My Business. Okay, so here we are inside of Google My Business. I'll put a link in the description below as to how to get to this in case you're brand new to it. But once you get inside of here, you'll see on the left-hand vertical menu that there is the tab for products. And if you click on that, you'll come to this page. Right, so the first thing that we want to talk about is being able to change this title. Right, this is the default. So let's go ahead and change that to something that's more helpful to our users, make a better user experience, and maybe help SEO at the same time. Right, kill 2 birds with 1 stone. So if we come over here to the right, we click on the 3 dots and we'll say Edit Category. When we do this, we see that we can actually change the title, and that's exactly what we want to do. So let's change it from product posts to go into something more helpful like video tutorials. All right, simple enough, and we'll click save. Right, there we go. We have changed the title for that category. Right. The next thing we want to talk about is organizing the existing posts. So if you've been doing posts by default, Google put these all into one category at first. Doesn't really make sense, right? Because here we have one that says website updates. Well, website updates is a service that we offer, but it really shouldn't be inside of video tutorials. In fact, if we scroll down, right, remember, website updates, we see that there's a category for website. It makes a lot of sense to put it there. So how do we do that? Okay, so come back up, the website updates. We'll click again on the 3 dots. We say edit product. When it comes up, we're going to scroll down a little bit and we're going to change the category to go into website. Now we scroll down, click save, and notice here now in the website category, that product has moved. Right? It was up here inside of our first one. It's come down to the website section. And we'll do the same thing. I'll show you one more time. Right here we have one for advanced keyword research. And of course, that should go into the keyword research category. So we'll move that one just like it. Click the 3 drop downs, edit product, change the category. And this time it's going to be into keyword research. Don't forget, you need to save so that it takes effect. Now we've got what we want. Right? We cleaned up that initial category, and that has a lot better user experience. Now the keyword stuff is in the keyword section, and the website stuff is in the website section. Okay, the last thing that we want to be able to do is understand that the top 4 categories is what is going to be displayed to the user. Right? So be very conscious of that. Your video tutorials, yeah, that makes sense for us. That's our first one. Keyword research, sure, good. Website, yep, we do a lot of things for websites. And custom map creation, yep, we do that too. Understand that this last one, SEO monitoring, it's not going to be displayed inside of the Explore categories. So you may want to move these around, right? You may want to move them to the top or to the bottom. You may want to edit. Whatever you want to do that makes the best user experience for your folks, so that when they see your Google My Business listing, whether that's on Maps or whether that's in Google Search, that they get to see your categories of all your products. I hope this helps in getting you updated with the latest things that Google has, especially for Google My Business. If you need help, you can always come over to BTFOOM.com and request a membership, and we'll get you some more in-depth SEO tutorials. Thanks, and I hope this helps. Click the subscribe button.